Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So these things have to be noted, how they are engaged in sinful activities. And the solution is given in the Bhagavad Gita that produce food grain. Annad bhavanti bhutani. So I see in your this Mauritius land, you have got enough land to produce food grains. You produce food grain. I understand that instead of growing food grains, you are growing sugar cane for exporting. Why? And you are dependent on food grains, on rice, wheat, dal. Why? Why this attempt? You first of all grow your own eatables. And if there is time, and if your population has got sufficient food grains, then you can try to grow other fruits and vegetables for exporting. The first necessity is that you should be self-sufficient. That is God's arrangement. Everywhere there is sufficient land to produce food grain. Not only in your country, I have traveled all over the world, Africa, Australia, and other, America also. There are so much land vacant that if we produce food grain, then we can feed 10 times as much population as at the present moment. There is no question of scarcity. The whole creation is so made by Krishna that everything is Purnam, complete. Purnamidam, Purnamada, Purnat Purnamudachyati, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva avashishyati. If we don't produce food grain, you require it, and put unnecessarily men into scarcity, that is sin. That is sin. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,